Hi guys, JTR Bricks here. Here comes the train. We were here, and then we left because we didn't think anything was coming. So then we went to the bridge that's down there, saw it was coming, raced back here. That's kind of complicated, but here we are, and here's the train.
And it seems like it happens every time.
Yeah. I thought we were gonna just miss it like we do for like every train, maybe? No.
It is whatever that is, eastbound. Like, what kind of power we got on this?
Hopefully something besides just CSX.
CSX.
One engine!
Yeah!
3394! Yeah! One engine. And it's a single stack intermode. Oh, well, so far. But here, can you hold it? Because I don't have my gloves. Oh, God. Q020. Last time we saw this train, it had N train DPU. Yeah. And the video actually just uploaded. How long ago?
It uploaded 2 days ago.
Yeah, 2 days ago from the day we're filming this.
It uploaded, but whenever you guys will see this video, that video uploaded like more than a month ago.
Yeah.
So this video won't upload for more than a month.
Yeah.
I just wait.
Here, can you please hold this?
Thanks, dude. Yeah, hold my glove.
Let's see if there's a DPU. I don't see it yet. I'm looking down there.
That's alright, because you don't even see the end yet.
See if there is a DPU, follow that
I know.
edge. We've never seen a train that had more than one DPU.
I don't even know if they do that. I mean, they do.
Not around here. Except for me,
That wind is cold. You take it back. There's the middle engine. Woo! Mid-train DPU.
the number is
3376. Mid-train DPU. Woo!
You can still see it?
Yeah.
Usually
Mid-train engines are like 3/4 of the way into the train. Can you please my hand just
Yeah.
take this back?
Sorry? Oh, nope, never mind. I thought that was the end.
Yesterday we didn't get on. Oh no, 2 days ago we didn't get on video. But I saw a train that had a middle engine, and it had like 250 cars. It was insane.
I am so cold. It was just 70 degrees 2 days ago, and it's below freezing, I'm pretty sure, today.
Yeah.
There's the end.
There's the end.
That was awesome.
Long
Mid-train DPU, that was awesome. And there it goes.
Yeah.
Alright, I hope we'll see another train today. But, alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to JTR Bricks. Bye.